Model, 64 plate Ford Transit Courier Connect Trend 1.0L Petrol EcoBoost. Nonerunner Cambelt snapped Vat Inclusive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 70,445. MOT, the 19th of January 2026. Engine, 999cc 1.0100 PS EcoBoost-H. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start, timing belt has snapped. Straightforward repair job if you know what you're doing, very easy engine to work on, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest